All right. First stage would be to build a stoichiometric balance. Now, this is a slightly more difficult question than you normally will see, but there's a point to it. So, H2O turns into H2 plus half O2. That's your stoichiometric balance. Hence, VH2O equals 1, H2 equals 1, and VO2 equals 0.5. Yeah? Actual would be H2O turns into X H2O plus Y H2O plus Z O2, because you won't be able to convert all the water. So you will have water plus hydrogen plus oxygen. So reactants left over and your products. So H balance would be 2 equals 2X plus 2Y. And it turns into Y equals 1 minus X. O balance, 1 equals X plus 2Z equals Z equals 1 minus X over 2. And the total number of moles, N total equals X plus Y plus Z equals 1.5 minus 0.5 X. So doing it from first principles. And we know that pressure in atmosphere P equals 10 kilopascals equals 0.09869 atmospheres. Yeah? Because 1 atmosphere is 101,325 kilopascals. Hence, to calculate the composition, Kp equals NH2 to the power of VNH2 multiplied by NO2 to the power VO2. It's not really to power, it's just N. And NH2 VH2 multiplied by the P over the total number of species to the power of VH2 minus VO2 minus VH2. So you've seen that equation before. Substituting, you get 0.5816 equals 1 minus X multiplied by 1 minus X over 2 to the power half over X multiplied by 0.09869 over 1.5 minus 0.5 X to the power 1 plus 0.5 minus 1. How do you think I got X from that equation? Don't tell them. You know already. How do you think I calculated X? How would you calculate X? This is not an exam question. It will never be in the exam. So how would you calculate X if you were to calculate it right now? No? You're on the right track, but how would you do it now? Do you know how to use MATLAB? Okay. Well, do you have MATLAB on your laptop? Most people have this software on their laptop already. It's like even the people with Macs. Come on, there's a point to this question. How do you do your process design calculations? Almost. It's even easier than that. Have you ever used the solver function? You solve for X, right? You can use the solver function or goal-seek, whichever one you've used. And you just solve for X. You just basically put X in there until or you can do it by hand. You can try various different iterations. So it comes down to your programming. You put a specific X. If it equals 0.5816, then it's your answer. If not, you repeat until you get as close to it, 10 to the power negative 6. The reason I'm putting it in there is you'll be doing this for the next 40 years. You'll always be doing calculations like this, unless you really, really went for a boring job that is built for technicians, then you'll be doing this.